historically, Jews have been very prosperous people. And I think the reason for that is because when we see God give them specific instructions on how to manage their life, it's actually real good advice.
Be careful to obey all the law my servant Moses gave you. Do not turn from it to the right or to the left, that you may be successful wherever you go. Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. Joshua 1:7-8.
And an inheritance, in the way that he tells them how to build an inheritance, manage inheritance, is very smart, because as they are taking the promised land, they are continuously gathering inheritance and they're splitting them up between them. And God is telling them how to manage the land and how to do this and how to grow what they already have, so that it can be passed down to future generations.
Your territory will extend from the desert to Lebanon, and from the great river, the Euphrates, all the hill little country, to the Mediterranean Sea in the west. No one will be able to stand against you all the days of your life. As I said with Moses, so I will be with you. I will never leave or forsake you. Be strong and courageous, because you will lead these people to inherit the land I swore to their ancestors to give them. Joshua 1:4-6.
And each tribe, of Israel was split into tribes, and they each got their own inheritance. And within the inheritance, they was passing down inheritance. I guess my point is, however you live your life, you need to think about, am I living an inheritance? Am I leaving an inheritance for a future generation? Am I leaving an inheritance for myself? Am I living my life in a way that there will be something left over for those who come after me? And it's not sinful to think that. I think some people think, and I had a friend like this, when she was like, oh, when I die, I don't want to have any, I want to spend all my money, I don't want to have anything, I don't want to pass down anything, because you can't take it with you. You can't take it with you. But building generational wealth really is the key to building for future generations. And that's what God was trying to teach the Israelites. And I also think that that's a lesson that we should probably continue on, in my opinion.
Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site, where you can read hundreds of articles. And also, you can feel free to shop my store, where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel, where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.